He said 3/4. How much?
Press counter.
What? Wait, how much?
Black?
Ay, naku.
Makasinot sa'yo. Kaya, all together,
Baroda, lal.
120 and another 160. This one. This is smaller. This bigger.
Video.
Yeah, because I'm
Yeah,
doing
video
vlog.
too much money need. Hello, video.
Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Okay, vlog.
Say hi to Manila,
Hi. Manila, hi.
Philippines.
Television, yeah?
Okay, this is all no problem. I can. This one take
120.
120, why very much expensive?
Is 50 now.
No, because they're telling me only 15 dirham.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Bye! Woohoo! Baka malagay sa bulsa? Wala. Wait lang, ilagay ko yung phone ko sa bulsa. Tawakan mo muna. Hurry up, my friend. Yala, let's go. Isda, go, go, go. Eh. another desert. So from our service, we're going to change car. Because only Land Cruiser is allowed inside. Diba siya lang? Pang ano lang. You cannot enter if you do not have Land Cruiser. So nag-ride kami ng ATV kanina. Fun naman, pero fun din mapuwing ng ice. Yung piling mata namin, it's still there. No, it's still there. It's still there. So if asthmatic kayo, you cannot be here. Guess what? Sinong mga nilalamig?
Yours.
Okay. Oh my gosh. we only use it for the sand dunes. Sleeper sa tabak. Okay.
Three in the back.
I-demonstrate mo paano. Ay! Si OA, di ba sa Oh my God! Joke lang wala. Ala, kinitanak ni Kwag. Ang kung ano sa si OA. Ay!
Aray ko my head.
Uy, wala akong hawakan. It's broken.
Oh my God, it's so hot. Aray ko!
Nagpasas
Basic.
Nagpaspus.
It's so fun.
Wala ka ni, may tugtog dyan. Wala ka.
Oh my God. Aray ko, grabe.
Oh. Wala ka. Ayaw tayo.
Buti na lang di kami pumili sa... Yeah?
Just بنت بليز I am photographer إذا كان بدك one photo.
Okay. One photo.
One photo.
Everybody.
Where's Pao?
We are all together, yes?
Yes, family together.
Okay, as I was saying, buti na lang. Hindi kami bumili doon kanina sa first stop. Kasi binibenta nila ito for 120. Dito it's only 20. And tinawaran namin ng 15. Tingnan nyo, nag-red yung chest ko sa seatbelt. Kasi later, I think. Thank you. Too much crowd. We have itinerary. Ay. Ano yun? Grabe. Habibi, come to Dubai, they said. But our eyes and our throat.
But
And
make sure that
everything-
if you are coming here, you have many money.
Or else you
So
cannot come,
expensive.
Habibi.
Huh? Where's the snow? Where's the board?
Hindi, wala. Saan yung board? Sabi nila may board. Tractor naman ang meron. Baka yan yung sasakyan natin. Tractor. Gotta ride the tractor. Guys, ang ganda. Si OA. Ganda, golden hour. Doon kami kakain mamaya. Buffet. Kasama sa binayaran namin. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Oh, kasi
This is the desert.
yung feel niya iba no sa dagat
Oh, very parang powder.
Yeah,
Powder
very
like
fine.
yung sand niya. Very fine.
Kaya feeling ko talaga pag may asthma ka hindi ka pwede dito.
So,
Papasok talaga siya sa baga mo.
tapos halang smoke.
Ay. Nagpahinga kami. Ay, ang ganda ng sky pink. show you the sky. Huh? This is the setup for the buffet. Perfume.
Another.
Pwede ko amoy.
Dior.
Baccarat, Dior, Oud.
50 dirham only.
Cannot smell. I cannot smell because I'm congested. 50 dirhams. Free to try.
One bottle, 50 dirham. This 3 bottle.
Nasa pila na kami ng food. Number 1. Look at the line.
number 1.
Look at the line. Siyempre pagkain na, hindi tayo papahuli. Kailangan number 1. Feeling ko nga nababad trip sila sa amin kasi wala pa daw yung pila.
Wala pa daw.
Later. mamaya. Sa Karaibagada. Yummy. See you later.
Nakakapagod na sumayaw, nakakapagod pa mag-smile.
Time to go home. Land Cruiser lahat ng sundo.
I'm so tired.
Everything Land Cruiser.
Sabay ka na. Okay.
Ay, dapat lang si Kamali, Jay.
Yes, the camel never sleep.
What is this?
Sharjah Mosque.
Sharjah Mosque?
Yeah.
Is this? Are we in Sharjah?
Yeah, this area in Sharjah.
Boy, I give you. When you king?